Hello, I'm Ted Morena, Director of SoC FPGA Marketing for Microsemi's Programmable Solutions Business Unit. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Digi SmartFusion 2 Maker Board. This low-cost board is available exclusively from Digi. The key component of the board is the Microsemi SmartFusion 2 device, which is a FPGA with a hard Cortex M3 microcontroller and a full peripheral set. The Digi SmartFusion 2 Maker Board allows both firmware engineers and RTL designers to quickly prototype designs such as IoT, medical, secure communications, as well as numerous others. The board costs only $33.75. Here are some key features of the board. A 12,000 logic element SmartFusion 2 FPGA, which has the integrated ARM Cortex M3, a 10100 1 gig Ethernet PHY, 16 meg SPI flash, an ambient light sensor, a USB port, and more. There's an interface connector for the popular ESP8266 module and a footprint for the ESP32. These allow for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi interface options. The Digi SmartFusion 2 Maker Board is ready to go out of the box. Firmware engineers can immediately begin coding with our Eclipse-based integrated development environment Soft Console, version 5.1 or higher. It supports C or C++ programming for the ARM Cortex M3 and has complete debug capability while running on both Linux and Windows platforms. For RTL engineers, the kit can be used with our comprehensive, easy-to-use Libero development suite to implement an RTL design in the FPGA fabric of the SmartFusion 2. Inside the packaging, you'll find the development board, a quick start guide, and the USB cable which powers the board. Documentation is available for download from the Digi website, including the schematics, bill of material, and other related demo design files. The Digi SmartFusion 2 Maker Board is an ideal starting point for you to implement an ARM Cortex M3 based design in the SmartFusion 2, as well as implement FPGA logic for additional functionality. To order the board now for immediate shipment, go to Digi's website. If you would like to know more about the SmartFusion 2, head over to Microsemi's website. That concludes today's video. Thanks for watching.